field of public service or public representation over the last almost 20 years now, or more than 20 years now, I have come across excellent officers, somebody you could rely on, and at the same time, I've had to deal with officers where you don't see the same enthusiasm or the same spirit of public service as you see in some others. So I'd suggest, I would request that from this course, when you go back, you keep this in mind, that you've been, and you've now done, you're going to go to grade 20. Some of you would have, around 15 to 20 years of service left. You've done, some even less, you've done more than 2/3 of your service you've done already. So now is the time to really give back. Now is the time to really, as I said, serve the public from what you've learned, both in your careers, in your management courses, and I'm sure that you will do that. The Director General had talked about collaboration with the training and management of the Sindh government. We started that fairly recently. It was about 3 or 4 years ago, if I remember correctly, that we started the training management wing. And I'm sure the Chief Secretary, you said, was here a few days ago. I'll tell him that we need to collaborate. We need to learn from the expertise that National Institute of Management has developed over the years. And inshallah, we'll make sure between the two of us and the other training institutes for public servants in the province and in the country, we should provide the course material, we should provide the expertise for them to really go back and serve in the services that they've come to. We've had an excellent